You have to know how this works to deal with it from a legal stance. Think of an attorney in a courtroom. You have to deal with this thing from a legal standpoint, but you have to know the Word of God. You have to understand your legal right to stand in the face of problems and say, no, I'm not moving, you're moving. You have to know that. But you have to know how the kingdom operates to stand there. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread, and forgive us our debts as we also forgive those who are our debtors. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. I want to read from, I wrote about this in my book called The Power of Provision. So let's look at it. Our Father in heaven, hallowed means greatly revered and honored. That word hallowed means greatly revered and honored. Be your name. Name is reflecting of God's dominion and his authority, his great dominion and authority, his name. Jesus is setting the legal posture of prayer in this first sentence. Let's compare it to the first sentence in a courtroom. A bailiff stands and says, please rise, the court of, and then he names the court. It could be the Common Pleas Court of Franklin County, whatever it is. But several things happen there in the first sentence. The bailiff says, all rise, setting the honor due to the court as well as to the judge who will be presiding over the court. The name of the court is mentioned to establish proper jurisdiction so that you know you're in the right courtroom, which is jurisdiction over your case. Let's go on to what the bailiff says. Please rise. The court is mentioned, and the Honorable Judge Smith is presiding. The whole sentence, the first sentence, our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name, is setting the posture of the one who is to rule this case and authorizes us to be there, our Father. He is our Father, and we have legal access to this court. The first sentence also locates the jurisdiction of the court as being heaven's court, the highest court of all authority. Next, the Lord's Prayer says, your kingdom come, your will be done. This phrase is putting a demand on the court to rule according to the law of the kingdom. You're about to make a request or bring an issue to this court, and you're asking the judge to enforce what his will or the law says in regard to this case. Your kingdom, your laws be done in this case.